it's Matt Faircloth, and welcome to DeRosa Insiders Live. Our company's the DeRosa Group, and we transform lives through real estate. That's what we do. That's what we're here to help you do too. Guys, I want to talk to you today about a major change that's happening in the commercial real estate world. Now, commercial real estate, as you guys know, including multifamily, which we're invested in, has gotten a little soft, as has self-storage, as has hospitality, aka hotels, aka all kinds of other commercial real estate, including office and retail have really gotten their teeth kicked in. Commercial real estate has seen a huge slowdown, quite a bit, but maybe it's on its way back, right? And if you guys want to hear what we have to say about this, and there's a great article here that we're going to be posting for you guys to check out about maybe why commercial real estate is due for one of the biggest comebacks we've ever seen. So here's a few factors for you guys to consider. The slowdown that hit commercial real estate, including multifamily, was it was unheard of. It was by rates pretty much doing this really fast, right? And so it caused a abnormal slowdown, an abnormal hiccup in commercial real estate. That is now shaking its way out. Rates are on their way back down. And so that spike is certainly not due to usage or due to commercial real estate in general becoming unpopular. It was due to a major spike that hit that market. So I want you guys to consider that if it goes up really quick like that, it's certainly going to correct in the other direction as rates start to come down. And we all see that starting to happen now, right? The 10-year Treasury note's down over a full percent from its peak. And there are certain indicators that it's going to keep dropping as the Fed starts dropping interest rates, which everyone believes they're going to do in September. So if that happens, that's going to further drop the cap rates and interest rates for borrowers for new properties. They're going to see values go up. So that's number one. Number two, commercial real estate as an investing space is not one thing. You can't put multifamily and apartment and commercial strip centers and office buildings and this and that and this and this all into one box. It's an amoeba. It's all kinds of different kinds of real estate that all perform differently in different markets as well. It's not a monolith, so to speak, right? And that's what this article points to, that commercial real estate is very hard to put in its own compartment. So you're going to see spikes likely in property value. A lot of stuff got pulled down recently, but I predict that you're going to see, and this article predicts as well, is that we're going to see a price bump in the right direction on a lot of assets that are properly located in good markets, and that not all of commercial real estate. But if you guys play your cards right, you can get yourself involved in assets either as a passive investor or as an operator in a asset that's going to be priced at this, but it's going to be valued much higher very soon as rates go back down and as markets start to come back around. And okay. The other part, it really has to do with REITs, and this article really highlights that. But REITs, guys, own a huge percentage of the commercial real estate space. That doesn't mean that you got to invest in REITs. You can invest in REITs, but what's interesting is that there's a lot of non-REIT assets that are in the market that are going to be subject to price changes too as prices start to go back up. So read this article, guys. I want you guys to check out the article there. It's good to learn. It's good to learn what's happening. Even if you're not like, well, Matt, I'm not invested in commercial. I just want to do small residential deals. Fine. But it's good to learn what's happening in other parts of the world because things don't operate in a vacuum. They tend to spill over. There are also just good habits, and it's just good to continually be learning, isn't it? So I want you guys to check out this article here on the 3 reasons why commercial real estate may see the biggest price bump that it has in a very long time. So check that out.